Welcome to this intermediate lesson on key concepts and terminologies in digital marketing and strategies. This session is designed to equip your students with a solid understanding of the essential terms and concepts that will serve as the building blocks for their future learning in digital marketing and strategic planning. This is submodule 1 of digital segmentation called Introduction to Digital Strategies. In this first lesson on intermediate level, we will discuss the key concepts and terminologies. During this lesson, you can expect some practical examples and case studies to help students connect theoretical concepts with real-world applications, and some interactive exercises designed to reinforce their understanding and application of the key concepts and terminologies. By the end of this session, your students will have a strong grasp of the fundamental digital marketing concepts and terminologies, laying the groundwork for more advanced topics. So before we start this lesson, to start, you can ask the students if they have any experience with digital marketing and what their expectations are. Afterwards, these key concepts and terminologies can be used as an introduction to digital strategies. You can show them in a PowerPoint and discuss the given examples, or you can print them and divide them through the class so they can be discussed in group. At the end of this lesson, you will also find a fill-in exercise to recap the content. Here are two possible didactic methods that you can use as an inspiration. The first one is a group discussion. You can divide the trainees or students into small groups and assign each group a concept to discuss. Encourage them to brainstorm ideas, share insights, and discuss potential challenges and solutions related to the concept. The second one is a role-playing exercise. Create role-playing scenarios where trainees or students can simulate real-life situations related to digital marketing concepts. For example, they can role-play as a marketing team developing a social media strategy or optimizing a landing page for better conversion rates. Two other possible didactic methods are a dialogue or the gallery walk. For the dialogue, you can divide participants or students into pairs or small groups. Present the digital marketing terminology and its definition. Then you can ask the participants to individually think about examples or applications of the terminology for a few minutes. Then have them pair up to discuss their thoughts and share examples with each other. Finally, invite the pairs to share their examples with the whole group. For the gallery walk, you can create posters or cards with different digital marketing terminologies and their descriptions. Hang them around the classroom and divide participants into small groups and assign each group to start at a different poster. Give them a set time to read and discuss the terminology and its relevance. After the time elapses, groups rotate to the next poster until they have visited each one. The purpose of the gallery walk is that it promotes movement, exploration, and discussion while providing exposure to multiple terminologies and perspectives. On this slide, you can see the concepts and terminologies that will be discussed in the following slides. If you are looking for even more basic concepts, you can also check this lesson at foundation level as well. For the students or participants, you can choose to show these concepts in a PowerPoint and discuss the given examples, or you can print them as fiches and divide them through the class so they can be discussed in group. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. SEO involves optimizing a website to improve its visibility in search engine results. SEO encompasses various techniques such as optimizing website content, improving loading speeds, acquiring quality backlinks, and using relevant keywords to enhance rankings in search engines like Google. For example, a small bakery implements SEO strategies by optimizing their website content with relevant keywords like freshly baked breads and artisan pastries, improving their visibility in local search results and attracting more customers to their store. SEM, Search Engine Marketing. SEM includes paid advertising campaigns to increase a website visibility in search engines. SEM involves strategies like Google Ads, where advertisers pay for ad placements and pay-per-click advertising to drive targeted traffic to their website. For example, an e-commerce store uses SEM to promote its new product line through Google Ads, bidding on relevant keywords and displaying ads to users searching for similar products, resulting in increased website visits and sales. Content marketing focuses on sharing valuable content to engage and attract an audience. Content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant content such as blog posts, videos, and infographics to attract and retain a specific audience, ultimately building brand loyalty and trust. For example, a software company creates a series of blog posts and tutorials to educate users about their products and industry trends, positioning themselves as thought leaders and attracting a loyal following. Social media marketing. Social media marketing aims to increase brand awareness and engagement through social media platforms. Social media marketing utilizes platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to connect with audiences, foster engagement, and generate leads, emphasizing the importance of building relationships and interactions. For example, a fashion retailer launches a social media campaign on Instagram, featuring user-generated content and influencer collaborations to showcase their latest collection and engage with their audience, resulting in increased brand visibility and sales. Inbound marketing focuses on attracting potential customers through valuable content and experiences. Inbound marketing emphasizes providing valuable content and experiences to attract potential customers rather than interrupting them with traditional advertisements, aiming to create value and attract interested leads already seeking solutions. For example, a marketing agency creates a comprehensive inbound marketing strategy, including content creation, email nurturing, and social media engagement to attract leads interested in their services and convert them into clients. CRO, Conversion Rate Optimization. CRO aims to improve the percentage of website visitors who take desired actions. It involves optimizing website elements and user experience to increase the likelihood of visitors taking actions such as making purchases or signing up for newsletters, ultimately enhancing conversion rates. For example, an e-commerce platform conducts A/B testing on its checkout process, optimizing the layout and design to reduce cart abandonment rates and increase the number of completed purchases. A landing page is a standalone web page designed for specific purposes, such as lead generation or product promotion. Landing pages are targeted towards specific audiences and often include clear call to action, serving as a digital showroom to showcase products or offers and prompt visitor actions. For example, a software company creates a landing page for its new product, featuring a demo video and a sign-up form for interested users to request a free trial, effectively capturing leads and driving conversions. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. KPIs are measurable metrics used to track the performance of marketing campaigns. KPIs include metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, revenue growth, and customer satisfaction, providing insights into campaign effectiveness and guiding strategic decision-making. For example, an e-commerce store sets KPIs such as website traffic, conversion rate, and average order value to measure the success of its holiday marketing campaign, allowing them to assess performance and make data-driven optimizations. Pay-per-click or PPC advertising is a model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. PPC advertising allows advertisers to bid on keywords relevant to their target audience and display ads in search engine results or on websites, paying only when users click on their ads. For example, a travel agency uses PPC advertising to promote its vacation packages, bidding on keywords like all-inclusive resorts and last-minute deals. In this way, they can appear in search results and attract potential travelers. Remarketing involves targeting ads to users who have previously visited your website. Remarketing is a digital marketing strategy that helps businesses reconnect with past website or app visitors. Remarketing serves as a reminder of your brand to customers who haven't taken a desired action yet. Since these users visited your site and demonstrated an interest in your company, remarketing can significantly improve conversion rates. This technique is called remarketing because you're re-engaging with a potential customer. This person is already somewhat familiar with your brand and products, and creating more touchpoints and conversations with them increases the likelihood of a conversion. While organic strategies can certainly help you deepen relationships with the potential customers, remarketing often leverages ads to re-engage with site visitors. There are many ways to do remarketing, but some of the most popular platforms are Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Microsoft Advertising, and AdRoll. Remarketing versus retargeting. Remarketing and retargeting are distinct strategies. Remarketing